It's another episode of Dan's Garage. We got a special edition today. We've got guests. We got Casey and Black Betty. She's right back here.
Hey,
and this is Black Betty. This is her car. It's basically the same car as mine. It's a 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Plus. Hers is a blacktop edition. Very pretty. And we're doing an install today of our sensitivity control with Velocity Performance products. All right, so we're in Casey's car now. There's Casey. You know, they make these installs so easy. Anybody should be able to do this, and I'm not dissing Casey because she's a girl or for any other reason, but it's really not that difficult. So we're going to come down here, and Casey's going to show you how easy this is. We're going to come down here, and you can see right where the harness is, right there. She's pointing at it. You just squeeze it and pull it up, and it comes right out. And then we're going to get the throttle sensitivity control, and we're going to show you how to plug it in between. Okay, so now we're just going to snap in the new unit. Snaps, clicks right in there, and then the wiring harness that was previously there clicks into the other half, and that's it. You're just going to tuck it away, and then we're ready for the calibration mode. All right, so now that we've got the module clipped in, we've got the end on here, you got to calibrate it. So the way they tell you to calibrate it is to get in the car, turn the ignition on, and now it's flashing. So the object is to hold both of the buttons here, like this. Push all the way down on the throttle. Let go of the buttons. Let the throttle up. Now we should be ready to go. That's all it takes. And this is where I finally decided for my mounting point, right here. It's real close to the gas pedal. I got all of the wiring is tucked up inside here underneath that. And I've got my sensitivity control right here. Nice. This is going to be a lot of fun. All right, we got our controller installed. I've got it in stock mode right now. I'm coming up to a light. And what I'm going to do is when I come to a complete stop, I'm going to go from stock to extreme, and we're going to see what kind of difference I feel in this car. So let's go all the way over. We're going to crank this thing all the way up to extreme. I'm going to put this down, and we're going to see what we got. Woo! Holy crap! Nice. That makes a big difference. It feels really good. We're going to bring it back to Dan's Garage. I'm going to button everything, and then we're going to do Casey's car. So we are coming up here at a stop sign. What?
Should I put it in sport or no?
That's up to you. Whatever way you normally drive it, that's going to be the best reaction for the difference, right? So she normally, I guess she doesn't normally drive it in sport mode. So we're just going to do, this is, all right, stop. This is the moment of truth. So we're going to put it in, what are you going to put it in? You're going to go all the way to extreme and feel it?
Yeah, I mean, that's the whole point, right?
She's going to put it in extreme?
We're in extreme.
All right, we're going to get first drive here.
Ooh, listen to that. Oh my God! Woo! Yeah!
Nice.
We're already at 75, baby.
Woo! Thank you, Velocity Performance Products. Man, this is going to be a lot of fun. We're getting ready. We're going to take both the cars. We're going to take about an hour-ish drive out to Sanford, to the lake. We're going to meet up with a couple of our other Mopar buddies. Also, both have 6-speed manual transmissions in their car. And we're going to take a little ride later. But there's your first reaction, Velocity. Oh, she just likes to listen to it now.
Who doesn't?
Woo! All right, everybody, get one of these things from Velocity. It's a relatively inexpensive mod. It's well worth the bang for your buck. Enjoy. Be safe. Bye.